Hey everyone! Today I'm sharing my personal experience using CashASAP in the UK when I had bad credit. This isn't sponsored, just what actually happened and what I learned. Problem setup. A while back, my credit score had taken a hit. A couple of missed payments, some old debts, and suddenly every traditional lender was turning me down. But I had a genuine short-term emergency, so I needed something fast. I found CashASAP. That's when I came across CashASAP, a lender that accepts applications from people with poor credit. What caught my attention was that they were transparent about what they offer. Small, short-term loans and payday loans, and they do actually run credit and affordability checks. My application experience, the application itself took around 5 minutes. Straightforward form, personal details, income, expenses. What I appreciated was that they didn't promise guaranteed approval, which is usually a red flag. They assessed whether I could realistically repay. I submitted everything, and within a few minutes I had a decision. In my case, I got approved for a small amount, less than what I originally hoped for, but honestly, that was fair. I'd rather get a lower, manageable amount than be pushed into trouble again. The money and repayment. The funds landed in my bank pretty quickly, and that helped me deal with the emergency. Repayments were exactly what they stated up front. No surprises. The interest was high, which is expected with short-term borrowing, so I made sure to pay it back as early as I could. Clearing it on time actually helped me rebuild my credit bit by bit. What I learned. Here's what I took away from the whole experience. CashASAP is not a long-term solution. It's only useful for real emergencies. The transparency was good. They show costs clearly before you accept anything. If you have bad credit, don't assume approval, but at least they assess you fairly. Most importantly, don't borrow more than you can confidently repay. Short-term loans can become expensive very fast. Final thoughts. So, is CashASAP the best option for bad credit? For me, it worked because it was honest, quick, and didn't make my credit situation worse. But it's only useful if you're responsible with it. If you're in the UK and considering it, just make sure you understand the costs and have a clear repayment plan.